Let's see how you can run a scan in Hubbl Diagnostics.
Once you've logged in, just click on Run a Scan to get started. Enter a name for your scan. For example, you can use the name of your company and the org type. Next, you'll let us know who owns the org. Add in a description that you can refer to later. Agree to terms and conditions. Click Next to connect to your Salesforce org. Now you just log into your Salesforce org like you normally do. Now you can schedule when you'd like to run your scan, run it immediately, or select a later time. Select the time you'd like to start the scan. The average scan takes less than 30 minutes to run and has no impact on the performance of your Salesforce org. To automatically monitor your Salesforce org and get the most information on adoption and recommendation trends, click on Run Once to set up a recurring scan. Select your recurrent schedule. Click on Next to confirm your scan schedule. Now, review your org information to make sure you're analyzing the correct org. Click on Schedule Scan to put Hubbl Diagnostics to work analyzing your org. That's it. Your scan is scheduled and you'll receive an email notification once the scan is complete. Now you can view any other scans you've completed, review the sample advanced scan provided, or schedule a scan for another org.